Hello, this is Karni Zor with my weekly astrological forecast, and this time the message is that times can be a bit rough, but don't worry, they will be okay again in 1 week. So let's take a look at the skies and see what is taking place these days. So this week we have the annual conjunction or alignment between the Sun and planet Uranus. Now, the sun is the center of our solar system, and it talks about our core and about our consciousness and who we actually are. And Uranus is the planet of the new creations, creativity, but Uranus is called after the Greek god Uranus, who created the first beings out of his body, out of thin air. And it's the great creator, but the story says that after Uranus created his first creatures, he actually didn't like his creation and started to eat and destroy his own creation. So Uranus holds in it the seed of creativity, originality, and uniqueness, doing new things, but also the seed of destruction. So, and we know that because uranium is called after Uranus. So it's very, very important to be aware these days to connect to the positive sides of Uranus, which are our creativity, originality, bringing our unique signal out into the world, but not to connect to the power of destruction that Uranus can cause these days. So these are going to be some tough and rough days. With Uranus around, we will see things shedding from our lives. If we do it in a smart way, we can actually shed the things we do not need anymore in our lives. But be aware, sometimes things will disappear or suddenly something will happen with them, and it might not be by choice. So this is a bit of a startling week. Please remember, if things have changed, something disappeared, there was big surprise in your life, most likely what happened is that something that did not fit left your life, and be grateful about that. Now these days, two other planets are actually in this same alignment. So not just the sun and Uranus are close to one another in the skies these days, also Venus is there. These are the astrological cards I've created. They're also good for readings and the morning processes as meditations, healings. And Mercury is also there. Now, Venus and Uranus do not go well together because Venus talks about emotions and Uranus really stir things. So this can be a bit of a problematic week, relationship wise, emotion wise. Know that, okay? Be prepared for that. But a Mercury and Uranus actually go well, very, very good together, because Mercury is the planet of thought, Uranus is the planet of originality. So, mind wise, it's going to be a very, very creative time with not lots of new original ideas. So, this is really, really wonderful. Now, talking about the startling times that you might feel during this week emotionally, lots of surprises, unexpected things. We are after a whole year of COVID, so we're a bit traumatic. We think, oh my God, if something doesn't work, it might destroy our whole year. So I really want to calm you down and say, this time we're only talking about 1 week, okay? And things are going to relax and be much better, less surprising, less startling in the next week. I hope you take this time to enjoy the creativity, to bring out to the world your original creations, and be aware of surprises that might come. If you like this video, please press the like button. Please share with friends so more people can see it. Make sure you register to this channel. Take a look at your weekly astrological forecast that I've prepared on my site, which is a new astrology.com. And I'll see you here next week. Goodbye.